this journey right here. To my left, just a quick install on it. But man, I'm gonna keep giving y'all these short little mod videos, man. But it's really simple, man. There's only 3 wires on this thing. We're finna just figure out which one to go to. Let's get into the video. So really the only thing you're gonna need for this job is a tester. It's really what you're gonna need. Maybe an extra wire, like an extra wire just to have it on the positive so you can reach or whatever. And then some duct tape. I don't think my duct tape's in the house somewhere, but it's really all you need. It's just pretty simple. I should get y'all to the video. So what you wanna do first is go ahead and turn the car on. Turn that on button. Turn it on, and then whichever light you want to start with, so right or left. I'm gonna start with the left, so we just gonna leave that off right now, and we gonna see. So we know that the signal is coming from. You know what? The bottom bulb don't even work on this thing. Yeah, what the hell? Or is I'm tripping? Oh no, okay. So we know that it's going to be these yellow lights that it's going to work on. So right here, so my harness is right here for my yellow bulbs that's flashing to the left turn signal right now. So all you want to do, what I do, just wiggle it. I'm not sure if you can see me wiggling it. If you see it wiggling up and down, it's hard to tell because it's flashing in my view. But I see it wiggling. I'm trying to give y'all both. There we go. Wiggling up and down. That is it. So all you want to do is take that harness out. This is what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to the battery. The positive on the battery. This is why this is red. Only thing I don't have to use an extension or anything like that. So I'm just gonna unplug it. And then whichever one it is it's gonna flash on here. So if it's turning sick, so you finna see what I'm talking about. Hold on, is that it? So that just has current in it. So we finna see which one is flashing. Okay, so I'm just gonna test the wire itself. So it should be one of these wires. This should be the ground wire. What you wanna do is pinch the wire. Let's see. Oh yeah, you just wanna pinch the wire. This is what it is. It's this one right here that's flashing. I'm just gonna check the other one for current. I know it's working obviously, but this is just in case you want to check it for current. See how that one's just on. And then this should be a ground. I gotta take me a shit, man. So the ground is working obviously, but this light, this white with a green stripe is what the light is where I want to connect my connectors to. On my aftermarket light, this is for the left side. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, it's for the left side. I really don't believe it matters. And it comes with a red wire, which is a positive, and the yellow wire is where the yellow wire is what's going to make the light zip to the left. So I'm just taking off some of the threads, some of the rubber on the wire. So you want to connect the yellow and the positive wire. You want to do this because there's no need to connect this to the battery. This is how it gets the power. And all you need is to worry about is putting the ground. Not worry about it, but you just need to make sure you get a ground. So just to give y'all an example, I'm just gonna connect this in the inside of this. Yep. And I'm gonna put the see? It's only doing that because I don't have it connected. Once I connect it back, that's it. I might just do it this way and it should be good. So at the back flashing like hell. So now you can go ahead and cut the engine off for the left side. You can go ahead and flip that back. The engine off. Because you really don't want to mess with electrical connections with the ignition on. It's not that big of a deal, it's just dealing with the light switch. But now I know my connections, now I'm just gonna wire it up really quick. So this is how I want mine, just like this. This is just adhesive, I'm gonna leave this on here because you never know, this might get old and I can just flip it around. But I did it this way because this has like a little line for that, and I don't really want that to get wet or any type of rip, so I left it like this. I was gonna kind of put the light down here, start from here, and then like go up like that. But either way, it's gonna look real nice. I'm gonna show y'all when I get hook everything up. But I'm gonna show y'all the hookup too. So all I'm about to do is split this wire a little bit. Focusing. Oh, it's just that light. I'm gonna split that wire and then split the ground, and then I'll be done. Just gonna hook that back in. It looks like I'm gonna have to put the positive wire on the actual what is it? What wire is it? I think it's a red striped and white wire to keep this constant, to keep this on. Because when you have the lights on, this should be on too. So if it's just coming on, the turn signal light on, then I mean it's good either way. But let's test this out real quick. So there it go, looks pretty nice. But let's see if it stays on constant with the regular lights. That's what we're looking for. It needs to stay on, not only when the turn signal comes on, but it needs to stay on. So it should be two different lights that it shows. That means I only got it connected. It's only connected to the turn signal. So we're gonna look at it real quick. So this red wire is gonna go on this wire right here that's not stripped. So it's gonna go on the white and blue, the white and brown wire. So it should stay on while driving. Let me get that connected. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. See? That's how it should be when it's on. Yes, sir. That's how it should look. So you do the same thing to the other side. I'm not gonna show y'all the other side because it's the same process. You're only dealing with 3 wires. This is very simple, especially if you have an older car like a goddamn 2005, 2006 Lexus or 2006 Dodge, something, whatever it might be. You can easily modernize your car. You don't need to go and buy any type of new car for some LED lights or because how it looks. You can easily modify your car so easily with, you can get aftermarket lights, or you can do what I'm doing. I'm just getting some regular, I got these lights for like $6, man. Just to make it look, just to modernize it, just a little bit different. I am gonna make a video also, just like I have on my charger, the trunk light. I'm gonna put this on the back too. It's like fucking $8, man, just to make it look different from everybody else's. So I'm gonna show y'all the end results of the video. So just look out for me. Bye. Just got the hazards on. So the lights are blue. Real nice.
Sean Bentley.
So left turn signal. Right turn signal. So this is how the lights look. The LEDs look real nice. And that's pretty much the end of the video. It's your brother Mighty Prophet 144K. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Leave that, hit that like button. So our video is gonna be up on other people's recommended videos, so they can like, share, subscribe it too. Make sure you leave that comment, tell me what you think about the video. That's your brother.
The spiritual levels, no dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe.